Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this photograph on Facebook and wanted to know how to put this red line. And the red line isn't a good contour line. It's a little bit off, but there's some problem. So I just traced it, got rid of the outline. When you select it all and your weld tools don't show up, it's because it's grouped together. So go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And as soon as you do that, your weld tool comes up and go to Create a Boundary. Now I've set my nudge factor on 28 inches. We're going to grab the boundary and nudge it over. Now go up to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour to the outside 1 inch with square corners, because most of our corners are going to be square. And now we have a boundary. Go up to Break Contour Apart. You can go inside the red and move it down, and then move our black over. Turn it red just so you'll know it's a cut line or whatever. But you can see it's not perfect right here. Why is it like that? Well, it's like that because of this. This outline, that box is not square. And we can prove that by selecting it all, and I could see a little bit of a curve to it. So select them all and go right click and turn it into a line. Now let's contour it. Same exact thing. Let's get rid of that contour. Let's break the contour apart. You have to select it all. Break contour apart. Grab the red and move it out of the way. And now we have a straight line. We'll make it red and move it over the 2 clicks. And now we have an outline 1 inch off the surface all the way around. Now if we want it less, you can go the opposite direction. Let's go inside contour 0.09. Well, 0.9. Now you have a contour, and it's not going to be as good because you've got some weird shapes in here that are not allowing it to contour perfectly, because when we went 1 inch, but that could be corrected, and you could obviously do a lot of things with that. Let's go ahead and do 0.5. Get it halfway around. Go and break contour apart. And I see some more problems with this drawing. Some of these lines aren't square, so you don't get a square point right here. I can see the curvature. So whoever drew this, I think they just did it for an example. Some of these lines aren't, and you could very easily get rid of the nodes. You select both those and right click and turn it into a line, but this isn't a line itself. So we could actually get rid of those 2 inner nodes, select these 2 outer nodes and right click and hit it to a line. So you could fix all that stuff prior. Same thing with up here. Whenever you get what a contour does, it overemphasizes the things that are wrong with it. Let's grab those 2, right click and turn them into a line. Now if we contoured this, we could select that. And now let's just kind of start over with this. We have it ungrouped. Make a boundary, go to contour to the outside, our 1 inch. Sorry, that's in the way. And you can see now we have straighter lines on that contour. But I didn't fix this, so we're back to there. But that's how you put this line around there. And that's good enough for the video, but you need to kind of correct those shapes. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.